In this video, I will show you how to restore contacts from Google account to a new phone. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Next, on your iPhone, open Settings. Use the search bar and type Contacts. Tap the Contacts app from the results. Then select Contacts Accounts. Since this is a new phone, tap Add Account. Choose Google. When the pop-up appears, tap Open Browser or Continue. Sign in using the exact same Google account you checked earlier. Keep tapping Continue to allow access. Once your Google account is added, turn on the toggle for contacts. If you see a pop-up asking what to do with existing local contacts, tap Keep on my iPhone. Then tap Save in the top right corner. Give your phone a few seconds. Sometimes Google Sync takes a moment. Then open the Contacts app or the Phone app, and your full Google contact list should appear, fully restored on your new device. And that's how to restore contacts from Google account to a new phone.